Introducing the Lussari Gloss White Back-to-Wall Bath by luxury British bath icon Victoria and Albert. Renowned the world over for creating beautiful baths and basins, V&A combines the best in British design with sound South African manufacturing. Back-to-wall baths sit flush against the wall, freeing up floor space. This is particularly beneficial in smaller bathrooms, creating a more open and spacious feel. The streamlined design also adds a minimalist and modern touch to contemporary or minimalist bathroom styles. As with all Victoria and Albert baths, the Lussari Back-to-Wall Bath is molded out of V&A's unique Quarrycast, a trademarked compound that is a blend of volcanic limestone with high-performance resins. Together, they form a complex 3D matrix that delivers the signature V&A look and feel of velvety smoothness and warmth, underpinned with unrivaled durability, insulation, as well as extraordinary heat retention. If you're looking for a bath that redefines luxury, style, and innovation, as well as a bathing experience that's incredibly comfortable and relaxing, then the Lussari Back-to-Wall Bath is the one for you. Complete this look with the matching Lussari Gloss White countertop basin, also available in the range. Shop the full Lussari Sandware collection, including the smaller version of this bath, online or in-store at Italtile.